Subscribe to get smart, and to watch the latest videos first, hit the bell icon and you will be notified about the new videos updates instantly.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Get Smart. We are helping you to master your technology. In this video, we will have hands-on Xiaomi Mi A2, the second shot at Android One. So let's get started. Xiaomi's first big launch since the IPO is a phone that's known for not having the company's core identity. The Xiaomi Mi A2 is an Android One device that sports stock-like Android software, miles apart from Xiaomi's usual MIUI implementation, a software the company really banks on to engage its community. When it launched the Mi A1 last year, the company's trust with stock Android software was an experiment, but having seen unprecedented success with that device, the phone is now part of Xiaomi's yearly cycle. Hence, the Mi A2 is an update over its predecessor, and brings a healthy mix of Google and Xiaomi in one phone. The primary changes this year include a larger 5.9-inch FHD end display, a new dual camera combination on the back and a higher resolution front camera. The Mi A2 omits the telephoto lens from last year, in favor of a 20MP plus 12MP setup. So, the camera doesn't have fancy optical zooming capabilities, but it still shoots portrait shots. In fact, Xiaomi says its software will intelligently choose which sensor to use when you're shooting photos in portrait mode. There's also a sizable update in terms of processing power, but perhaps not enough to ditch your Mi A1 just yet. The Snapdragon 660 takes a page out of Qualcomm's flagship chipset, the 845, replacing ARM's Cortex-A5 3 cores with custom Cryo 260 cores. That should give a good boost in terms of processing speeds, at least on paper. You can expect higher benchmark scores compared to the Mi A1. Xiaomi is also quite confident about the camera this time and suggests that it will be comparable to the OnePlus 6, which is quite a claim to make. While it's too early to take a call on this, things are looking up after the first few shots. The camera app here is the only noticeable change to Google's stock Android software. The Mi A2 still comes with a 2-year update promise, meaning it will definitely get the Android P and Android Q updates in future. At the moment, the phone runs Android 8.1 RE out of the box. While the Xiaomi Mi A2 retains the general look of the Mi A2, there's a noticeable change in its identity. For one, the phone feels wider, meaning it's not as ergonomic as its predecessor. The hand feel isn't of a compact phone and lies closer to that of a phablet. It's also slimmer and has the full metal build like last time. The two cameras are placed vertically on the top left on the back, with a noticeable bulge. You'll find the fingerprint sensor below it, at the center of the rear panel. While the design has changed a bit, this looks more old school amongst a sea of notch-riddled, full-screen smartphones today. The Mi A2 is not a big screen phone with a small overall footprint. And that might actually work against Xiaomi at this point. Our early verdict. While you shouldn't drop your Mi A1 for this phone, the Xiaomi Mi A2 gives non-MIUI fans another shot at entering Xiaomi's ecosystem. Pro include: decent camera, large balanced display, faster processor. Cons include: increased price, old school design. So that's it for now. Before I end this video, if you want something specific to show in my next video, just say in the comment section below. If you found this video entertaining and enjoyable, give me a favor by clicking that like button, subscribe, if you haven't already. I'll catch you all in the next episode of Get Smart. Peace.